Hello dear students, today we are going to learn teleconversation with colleague. So let's get started. There are two colleagues. Employee first Amy. Second one is colleague of Amy is John. So start it. Hello Amy. Hello John. How did you call? I have sent a mail, but you didn't reply yet, so I made a call to you. Oh, I'm so sorry, John. I couldn't have seen owing to family function. You must have seen Amy. Okay, let it be. Now are you getting busy or not? No, I'm not busy. I'm just coming to you. I will catch you in 10 minutes. Okay, come fast. I'm waiting. Bye. See you. Bye. So guys, from this video we have learned that how we converse to anyone, like colleague, with any classmate. So आज की क्लास में आप सभी को मजा आया होगा. And if you like it, so like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. We will meet in another video.